Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I am Wahyu Stianto. My NIM 3421119. I from class KPIC. I made this video to fulfill my obligation as a student in English courses at the end of semester exam. Number 1. In my opinion, based on the problem above, learning foreign language is very much needed nowadays because foreign languages are the same as regional languages, which are equally needed when we are in a place. This is not our area and requires a language other than the language we ask. Apart from that, foreign languages are born only. English is an international language, which is the language asked by people for wherever and whenever they are outside Indonesia. Therefore, my opinion is that learning a foreign language is very much needed in our era and our lives now. Number 2. In my opinion, based on the above problem, pranking parents is not recommended. Why is that? Because parents are not really obliged to make content and make jokes. The nature of parents is a role model in which the behavior and action of good parents must be used as role model. We should not just make prank video jokes with parents. Islam also teaches us to respect our parents, not to make fun of people and because we are a ummah. It is definitely not allowed to make prank video for parents for any reason. Number 3. In my opinion, based on the above issue regarding reducing gadget addiction for children, among others, number 1, by providing education to children using soft language so that they can understand the dangers of gadget addiction. Second, by giving punishment that can make the child a deterrent when playing gadget excessively. Last, by supervising and controlling parents in the use of gadget because in the current era, all telephones, both Android and iOS, have parental control program to limit the use of telephone every day. Number 4. In my opinion, based on the above issue regarding improving in speaking a foreign language, among other, and number 1, increase foreign language vocabulary from dictionary and other foreign language reading. Second, watching foreign film but without Indonesia subtitle because this method can increase all foreign language vocabulary little by little. And then last, keep repeating each foreign language word little by little because this way we can easily find out what vocabulary is still wrong or not according to the rules of the English language. And then last, opinion. Number 5. In my opinion, based on the problem above about the online teaching system without any material but the texts are piling up. My personal opinion is honestly from the bottom of my heart, the learning is very effective. In the education system that is happening in this era because students are not getting smart but more stressed because the pressure of texts that have not been understood is true. With the independent campus program, students can learn on their own, but it's different if students from school who are easier and understandable by being explained first to their homework because the teacher is actually giving understanding to those who do not understand. My personal suggestion is that it's better to first explain some of the material that is in the difficult of students to understand after the new assessment might be given. Although important points that are more specific and the material given to the student. That's my opinion from some of the issue above. If anyone objective to my opinion, I sincerely apologize and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.